So I'm kind of digging these little mini vlogs. Actually, I only got these. Try these again.
It's gross.
So I've been suffering through this heavy dose of SOMs. SOM. Yesterday was my first step of recovery. You're probably asking, what the hell is SOMs? Well, SOMs is really simple. Start on Monday. You wanna go for a run? Yeah? This is day 2 of getting rid of SOMs. No more SOMs. This is day 2. You sure you don't wanna go on a run with me?
Hello there. Are you full of excuses with an empty calendar? Do you sit on social media for 2+ hours a day? Are you constantly complaining about your body? You, my friend, may be suffering from SOMs. Start on Mondays. If you happen to find yourself in this situation, call 1-800-GTFO. 1-800-GTFO.